Hello, this is a quick demo showing Adsotech's new development. It is an app showing how to integrate SharePoint to SAP. So I have an Excel file, just a normal purchase order containing 3 lines, mockup test data, that I want to get posted into SAP. How this new integration feature works is that I drag the file from my machine into Adsotech SharePoint. So this is our online SharePoint Office 365. And what happens in here is that we have a bot that is picking up these tasks and it's processing these files into SAP and then returning end results to my desk. Here you see I have submitted an additional file just a few seconds ago, and it is being processed, meaning that our robot is taking the job, executing it using Winshuttle to SAP. And when it's done, it will report something to me and send me an email. Our new job, just now scheduled, will be picked up by the robot soon. But in the meantime, the execution of the other file, I got an email. It is saying that the result is an error. I have a file containing all lines, showing that 2 items were successful and 1 is a faulty one. And our robot is actually creating additional file which is errors, which is only containing the rows that have had some errors in it. So now I'm fixing the error and saving my file as a fix file. And then I can resubmit this file back into the bot by dragging it here. In the meantime, our other file was also successful. Here, the one that I started with. Here we see that execution was successful. 3 orders have been created. Of course, there's reporting features and all that included, but not showing those here. Thanks.